everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I look very weird right now because I have my entire base, lips, everything done except for my brows and my eyes. And in today's video, I wanted to share 4 different eye makeup looks that you can try out, especially now with our masks on. I think the eyes is the only area where you can actually play up and do something fun and creative. I just received this bag from Lakme India, and they have sent me their new latest launch, that is their Spotlight Eyeshadow Palettes, and I've got all the 4 shades with me, and I've also got 2 of their eyebrow pencils. These are called the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. All of these palettes have a mix of both shimmer as well as matte eyeshadows, and one thing that really stood out to me from these palettes, I mean, to be honest, I wasn't expecting much, but once I swatched it on my arms, you know, even the matte eyeshadows are so pigmented because normally it's quite difficult to bring out a lot of pigmentation, especially from your matte eyeshadows. But these matte eyeshadows, they feel very buttery. They are very pigmented, and I think it's because of the formula. They're not very powdery, they're not chalky. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows, and I'm using the Brow Perfector in the shade Coffee, and I really like pencils that come with a fine tip like this, and also it comes with a spoolie. I like to comb my hair downwards like that, and I just sort of give a nice clean shape to the top of my brows like that. I don't go all the way in because that's not going to look very natural. Then I just comb my hair upwards, and I do the same thing with the underline of my brow. And for underneath the brows, I like to take it all the way towards the inner corners of the brow like that. Now you just want to go ahead and just fill up your brows, and you can go ahead and take your spoolie, comb the hairs. I must say it was a very smooth and easy job of doing my brows with this pencil because I think it's quite pigmented, and it's not too overly creamy because some brow products are very creamy and it tends to smudge, and it kind of, you know, ends up clumping the hair in your brows. But with this one, I did not face any issues like that. So firstly, I'm going to go in with my Berry Martini eyeshadow palette. I am going to go in with this very toned down mauve eyeshadow, and I'm just going to go ahead, and I took very little amount of product, and as you can see, the color payoff is amazing. And now I'm going to be taking this beautiful berry pink shade, and I'm going to, wow, can you see that, guys? Like, you get the exact color that you see on the palette on your eyelids as well. Yeah, I'm applying this color right on the hollows of my eyes, and you want to make sure to blend it in with the previous color. I think I am going to try this really beautiful rose gold shimmery shade. Apply it to the center of my eyelids. Wow, that looks super pretty. Then I'm taking the same pink berry shade, and I'm applying it closer to my lash line. I'm taking the same rose gold color, and I'm going to apply it to the inner corners of my lower lash line. So I just went ahead and added a very thin eyeliner and also some lashes and mascara, and that is the finished look, you guys. I absolutely love these tones, especially now for the fall winter season. Next up, I'm taking the Sundowner palette. Firstly, I'm taking this gorgeous berry toned purple pink shadow. As you can see, these palettes are super buttery. The minute you touch it with your brush, you get a lot of product on the brush. Super duper pigmented. I'm going to apply that all over my eyelids like that. And then taking the tip of the brush, I am just going to blend out the edge. It looks like I have a cream base or something underneath. It's super intense, super opaque. Wow, I really love this color. I'm going to take this warm light pink color, and I'm just going to go over the edges. You want a nice seamless blend. I'm also going to take the same color and softly smudge that out on my lower lash line. Now I'm just going to be highlighting the inner corner of my eyes with this yellow color. Oh my god, you guys. I really can't believe this right now because yellow is one of those colors which I feel is very hard to bring out in an eyeshadow, because usually if you have tried yellow eyeshadows, they are not as pigmented as other eyeshadows. But I think they have done a pretty good job. I mean, can you see that? That looks quite intense. Not at all bad. I just went for a nice, intense, tight-lined look, and I also smudged out the eyeliner on the lash line. And then I went ahead and added some natural-looking false eyelashes. And yeah, this is the finished look. Next, we have the Stilettos eyeshadow palette. And firstly, I'm going to be taking this green eyeshadow, blend that out in my inner and outer corners. I'm going for a slightly dramatic look, and I also used this palette to create my Diwali makeup look this year. If you're interested, you can click on the card up there. Now, taking this blue eyeshadow, I'm going to pack that color close to my lash line. I'm just going to intensify the look a bit. And then I'm going to do the same thing on my lower lash line as well. Lastly, I just tight-lined with some blue eyeliner and added some dramatic false lashes. And I am absolutely loving how this turned out. For the next look, I am going to be using the Smokin' Glam palette. First of all, I'm going to take this gorgeous salmon colored eyeshadow. It's giving me such an intense color payoff. I mean, look at that. Next, I'm going to take this gorgeous warm toned brown eyeshadow. So perfect for the fall season. And I'm taking it on a flat brush and just patting that all over my eyelids. Blend out the edge again. It's giving me that very pumpkin spice latte sort of a feel. Wow, that is so beautiful. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the lower lash line as well. Lastly, I'm just going to take this beautiful bronzy sort of shimmery shade on a small brush. I'm just going to use that to highlight the inner corners. So yeah guys, I just went ahead and tight-lined my eyes with a black kohl pencil and added in some dramatic false lashes, and that is the complete look. I really hope you enjoyed all of the 4 looks that I created for you today. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.